process is super easy and doesn't take very much time at all, so let's get started. Let's say that you're in your class and that you've finished grading an assignment that you need to sync over to your PowerTeacher Pro gradebook. The first step is to head over to the assignments page and ensure that this assignment is in the correct assignment group. The PowerTeacher Pro sync from Canvas only recognizes assignments that are in the categories established in PowerTeacher Pro. You'll see that this assignment right here is in a category called Imported Assignments. However, in my PowerTeacher Pro gradebook, I don't have an Imported Assignments category. Consequently, to move that over, all I need to do is find the assignment, hit the three dots, and use the Move To option to pull it into one of the categories present. Or if I'm just moving one of them, I can grab it by the dots and then pull it into the correct category. After the assignment is there, we need to ensure that the box that says Sync to PowerSchool is enabled. And if you don't have a due date, it'll prompt you to put one in there. So let's give this assignment a due date. By editing this assignment, I can go down and I can add a due date of this assignment of today, or whenever this assignment was due. After doing that, I can hit save and then try this process again. I'll go into my assignments page and I'll ensure that my assignment is set to sync, and now it'll let me sync that. To initiate the sync, all you need to do is hit the grades page and then hit the sync button, hit sync to sys, and then select any of the assignments that you want to sync over. Our new assignment is now listed in this list, as well as other assignments that have been synced over. If I leave these enabled, it will also update scores to those assignments that are moving over to the PowerTeacher Pro gradebook. If I have an assignment in my gradebook that doesn't have any scores, it won't sync over to the PowerTeacher Pro gradebook until it has at least one score. I'm going to hit Post Grades. This will allow the sync to be scheduled, and I can check on the process of my sync by clicking the See Progress button right here. Under this menu, I'll be able to see how my sync is doing and when it should be expected to be completed. Right now, I can see that it's running. I can also see that in this course, there's a nightly grade sync scheduled at 9 p.m., meaning at 9 p.m. tonight, no matter whether I remember to click that sync button before I left for the day or not, my grades will still automatically sync over. Let's refresh this to see if it's completed. If I click refresh, I can see that my grades have now synced over. And if I open my PowerTeacher Pro gradebook and hit grading, I can see that my new assignment has been able to show up here. If you have any questions about how to do this process, reach out to your building's EdTech coach or one of the digital teaching and learning specialists. Thanks!